You can start. You shuffle. You shuffle good. You look over there somewhere,
yeah, exactly.
and you take the first semi-finalist.
SSC Napoli.
Napoli, the winners of 1989. You can put it here, yeah, with Diego Maradona and Ciro Ferrara playing. First semi-finalist.
Where is it?
Must be somewhere, yeah. Good.
Dnipropetrovsk.
Against Dnipropetrovsk, which we, as we have said, are on their first participation in the semi-final. And I would like to ask, before you go on, the ambassador of Dnipro, Andriy Ruzol, to come on stage here next to me. And we go on, before we speak with you, with the rest. Next one, second semi-final.
Sevilla FC.
Sevilla FC playing at home, 3 times winner, title holders. They won in 2006, 2007. Now they are in the semi-final. And they will play against
Lazio Fiorentina.
Against Fiorentina, the finalists of 19. There you see a little sign. There's un pequeño. Now we said all the secrets. So, Napoli, semi-final. It's already a great result to be in the semi-final for Dnipro. How do you feel?
For us, it's a big honor to be here within the best teams, still playing in the competition. So we'll promise that we will try to do our best in the next stage, and we'll try to go forward in the competition.
Excellent. Ďakujem. Thank you. Thank you very much. And of course, the Napoli ambassador, if he would have been here, he would have probably said more or less the same. But we move on to Sevilla. Ramon. Fiorentina, semifinal. ¿Qué opinas?
Bueno, partido, eliminatoria muy complicada.
El Sevilla está acostumbrado a jugar estos partidos.
Bueno, la verdad que sí, que afortunadamente esta competición nos ha dado mucha alegría y estamos acostumbrados. Cualquiera de los 3 rivales era complicado y Fiorentina es un equipo que juega en una liga muy difícil, un equipo muy competitivo y que seguro que nos lo pondrá muy complicado, pero para llegar aquí también hemos sufrido y tendremos que seguir sufriendo e intentarlo otra vez.
So, of course, Sevilla is used to play the semi-finals of the Europa League. 3 strong opponents, Fiorentina very strong as well, but they will try to succeed once again. Martin, la Fiorentina di nuovo in semifinale.
Speriamo di far meglio di nel 2008. Adesso, come Karl-Heinz ha detto, abbiamo beccato i favoriti, ma almeno noi giochiamo in casa la seconda partita sperando di fare bene, sperando di fare 2 belle partite e procedere al finale.
So they hope to make 2 matches and go to the final. Of course, they play against the favorite, but maybe the second match at home is a little advantage. Grazie mille, Martin. So we can see the semi-finals, Napoli against Dnipro and Sevilla against Fiorentina, 2 great semi-finals. We have not finished yet with the Europa League because we still have to determine by a draw which team is to be considered the home team of the final, the winner of semi-final 1 or of semi-final 2. This is purely for operational reasons and to gain some more time and raise the expectation for the semi-final draw of the Champions League. The final, I remind you, will take place on 27th of May at the National Stadium in Warsaw. Karl-Heinz, you can go for the final draw. And see which team will play at home in Warsaw.
Okay, it's the winners of semi-final 1.
So Napoli or Dnipro would be the home team in Warsaw, and they would play, you can put it here, absolutely, against, of course, I hope,
winners of semi-final 2.
Against Sevilla or Fiorentina. So